What up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys a day in my life. I hope you like it. Comment any questions. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, so this is curb number 1 that I'm going to be doing. Okay, as you can tell, it's pretty bad, pretty beat up, but I'm going to take care of it. So we're going to do this house, boom, and then we're going to do this house here. Obviously there's no number there, but we're going to change that real soon. All right, let's get it.
If you guys are interested in starting your own personal curb painting business, go ahead, click that link in my bio. I have a start to finish master course on starting your own personal curb painting business. I show you how to get the sale, I show you how to do the curb, and I show you how to promote it. Click that link in the bio, get started today.
What up, what up, what up? Look at this beauty right here. Look at that. All right, we are all done. Look at that one. That's curb number 1 right there. Boom. Curb number 2, not necessarily in that order. Curb number 3. Here we go. Then we got curb number 4. Look at that. Putting that work in, people. All right. Took care of the whole court today. We making money. We making money. And the last curb of the day, a basic curb. Nice and easy. And now we hit the weights. Today I got back and chest. I'll be doing all supersets. Comment any questions below. We about to tear it up. I start every workout with a warm-up, okay? Whether it's a treadmill jog whether it's the Stairmaster, whether it's the rower. I like to do 5 minutes, nothing crazy, just to get the blood flowing. I want to make sure my body is prepped for the weight training. Okay, so every warm-up I do 1 of the 3 every time. I typically like to save the Stairmaster for leg training days. Okay, since I work out legs, I like to warm up legs on a Stairmaster, right? And for back and chest, I typically like to do the rower because it simulates a pulling motion, and I want to warm up the muscles that I'll be working out on the floor. Okay, with the weights and the machines and all that other stuff right there. So I do have a system on how I go about it. I just make sure I stay at those 5 minutes. Now we're going to start off with the chest press machine and superset that with the seated row machine. For any beginners out there, I recommend that you start out with a set number of 3 sets and 15 reps. Okay, this is what I did for most of my workout. There was 2 or 3 sets that I went down a little bit just because I felt that tension a little bit more. But for the most part, yeah, 3 sets of 15, getting back to weights, or if you're new, would be ideal. For those who don't know, I am a certified personal trainer and a group instructor, and I've been training for over a decade now. So I'm definitely pretty knowledgeable when it comes to the gym and working out and putting exercises together. Like I said, everything I do for a reason. Okay, I have pretty much good form on everything that I do, but I always try to get better and better at it. Okay, now we started off with the chest press, and we supersetted that with the seated row. Now I'm doing a chest fly. Okay, still keeping it with the chest. After the chest fly, I'm going to superset this with bicep curls with a twist at the top. All right, so I'm really trying to get a good stretch and a good squeeze at the top to complete this set. And again, we're going to stay at 3 sets of 15. If you decide to do this workout, please let me know in the comment section how it was for you. Okay, was it too tough? Was it too easy? Was it just right? Let me know in the comment section. Next, we have pull-ups. Now you can do these regular or you can do assisted. I'm doing them regular. If you cannot get to 15, go to 12. If you can't get to 12, go to 10. But your goal is trying to get those 15. Okay. Now, I supersetted my lat pull downs with dips. Okay. Now with dips, again, same thing. You want to keep your elbows fairly straight and control it the best you can. If you can use the assisted machine, use the assisted machine. If it's too easy to use the assisted machine, then don't use the assisted machine. Okay. You're really trying to challenge yourself on every set of a workout. All right. Get the best out of it that you can, and then go from there. And looky what we have here, a weight scale. I'm at about almost at 200. Okay, the goal is 215. In my head, like if I get 215, that'd be nice. But yeah, lightweight. And we are done with the workout. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna finish the day off with, a little food. If you guys know, you know. But this is one of my go-to places almost every day. Okay, that's right, Chipotle. And I'm mad because they had no vinaigrette today. All right, which I can make it, but that's vinaigrettes. If you don't know what they are, definitely you can thank me later. Okay, they're amazing. But as a vegetarian, okay, I get white rice. All right, nothing crazy.
Black beans.
Then I get black beans. All right, I might even do double black beans. Right? Make sure I get my protein. But other than that, no meat for me. Can I get pico, please? Corn. Sour cream. Extra cheese. And then that's it. Thank you. And that is a day in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you thumbs up, sub up. Catch you in the next one. Peace.